Hey, 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 how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I hope that you are having an amazing day today. So, as you're coming on in, say hey, let me know you're here, let me know that you can hear me. And as you're doing that, I'm just really quickly going to tag some friends, tag my group, and see if they'll be able to join me and fix the phone. Okay, so today I want to share with you some weight loss tips because for some of us here, especially here in North America, we are heading into the holidays. It's a big season. It's Thanksgiving week, so there's going to be a lot of food around, right? So, and this is not only for the holidays. This is pretty much if you want to lose weight. This is if you want to maintain your weight loss results. So I'm going to be sharing these tips. They are really simple to do. And so as you're coming in, just say hi. Please let me know that you can hear me. That'll be awesome. So for those of you who are new, my name is Hey Kia. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. My name is Samantha Hubert. I am a certified habit change coach. I am a transformational coach, and I work with women, and I help women that, like me, struggled for years to lose weight and nothing ever worked. So I help women to lose weight and keep it off without having to go on a diet and without having to spend long hours at the gym. So today, let's talk about those weight loss tips that I have for you. So number one, clean and lean. Okay, so if you can remember anything, remember two things: clean and lean. What you want to do is you really want to aim for eating clean food. You want to aim for eating lean sources of protein. So when I talk about lean sources of protein, I'm talking about things like grass-fed beef. I'm talking about free-range organic chicken. I'm talking about eggs. I'm talking about fish like salmon. So anything that is really nice and lean and clean, you know you're on the right track. And also, when you are clean eating, what you're doing is you incorporating a lot of vegetables. So more fruit and more vegetables. That is tip number one. Tip number two is something, I'm going to share a few things with you, right? So tip number two would be to drink a lot of water, okay? So aim for 3 to 4 liters of water per day. And here's a thing that I'd love for you to try, okay? So the next time you think you might be feeling hungry, you know, when you're not quite sure, just pause, get a glass of water, drink that glass of water, wait a few minutes, and then reassess. See if you are still hungry. Because chances are, and this happens a lot, sometimes we actually feel hungry when we're not actually hungry. We're thirsty or we're dehydrated. So that's a really good way to keep your weight loss in check. It's also a really good way of training your brain to be more mindful. It's a great way of training yourself to learn to eat when you're hungry. It really helps getting that mindless snacking, that mindless eating out of the way. Okay, so that was tip number two. And please let me know if you have any questions. Pop them into the comments, get your questions answered. And if you catch in the replay, hashtag replay, pop your questions in there as well. So let's move on to tip number three. Tip number three is really a no-brainer, and it is to reduce your sugar intake. So if you can at least aim to reduce it by 50%, your body's going to thank you for it, right? Because really, on average, a woman needs about 6 teaspoons of sugar to maintain her weight. And I spoke a little bit about this, and I might go a little bit further because I've had a lot of people asking me more and more about sugar, hidden sugars, and so forth. But did you know that just one slice of whole wheat bread contains about 3 teaspoons of sugar? Yeah. So that would be already half your daily intake on that one slice. another thing to be a little mindful, so for my ladies out there that like our lattes, matcha lattes, coconut lattes, be a little bit mindful when you go into the coffee shop, right? Because your barista is going to be adding pumps, and those syrups are loaded with sugar. And also the milk they use. So if it is soy, if it is almond, coconut milk, they already got flavors in them, and they are already mixed with sugar. So I just want to make you aware, if that's what you're going to have and if that's what you desire, then you're making an informed decision. Get your coffee, drink it, and enjoy it. Okay, so those are my 3 tips. Let's move on to another tip, and that is protein. Because the reason why protein, you'll hear me say this a lot, and that's simple, because protein will keep you longer fuller. It's not going to wash through you, and it's not going to leave you feeling hungry. So if you can aim to include protein in every meal, and if you like snacking, just make sure that there's protein there. Some great snacks that I love that are protein. I love nuts, protein shake, and I have this super delicious recipe for protein balls. They are yummy and they full of energy. So if you want that recipe, pop it in the comments. Protein balls equals yes, and I will get that recipe to you. So in the comments, protein balls equals yes, I will get that recipe to you. So here's another tip, and the tip is to make breakfast and lunch your biggest meals of the day, right? And then make supper, dinner, your smallest meal of the day, right? So the way to look at it is eat like a king, a queen. Okay, but it's eat like a queen. Then I can't remember what the middle one was. So if somebody can remind me what the middle one is, that'll be great. And then I know supper is to eat like a pauper. So you eat in the least amount. And what you want to do is you want to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. So that allows your body to digest the food. It allows your body to detox. And I'm telling you, just start incorporating these small little, like it's easy enough to do, and watch the weight start to melt off. And my last and final one for you for today is to shift your focus of food, shift your focus of weight loss, and just relax and just reconnect with your body, fall in love with your body again, and have fun. And you know, when we reconnect, when we're having fun, we reduce our stress levels. And when we reduce our stress levels, the body can relax and it can release the weight that it's been holding on to. Okay, my friends, so thank you so much for joining me. And if you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Hello, Samantha. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing today? So I was just about wrapping up. I'm sharing the tips on weight loss. So I am going to pop them in the post. Go ahead, have a look at them. If you have any questions, just let me know. I also really quickly want to let you know that I have spots open for my one-on-one coaching. So if you need that support, because that's what I got, that's really what helps me. So if you need that support, if you need that accountability, then please send me a personal message. We can see if we're a good fit. I can see if I can help you, right? And then my group coaching, I've just been working on my brand new a new you weight loss program. It's 4 weeks. It is absolutely amazing. Like, oh my goodness, this is the program that I've wanted forever. It addresses hormonal weight. It addresses blood sugar imbalances. Thyroid problems. Really, clean eating, everything that you can think about to just break through those barriers and really get you losing weight. So that will be opening very, very soon. So please watch this space and I will keep you posted. Okay, Thank you so much. Have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. In the meantime, take good care. Bye for now.